I'm J.C. Coffey. I'm a recently retired naval aviator and a DoD acquisition professional. I served our country for 20 years and was a UAS manned and unmanned operator for 30 years. And now I'm the executive director for Unmanned Systems for the Cherokee Nation technology portfolio. UXS covers all domains. So we're going from the bottom of the ocean into space now, and we have expertise in all those things. The way we see unmanned systems is it's just an extension of the initial network. So I look at them as thumb drives that plug into existing networks and give us an expanded view and give us additional information. So when we started looking for different applications for unmanned systems for drones, we talked about the dirty, dangerous, denied, and dull domains. Places where doing it manned was just not that much fun. Dangerous missions would be flying into hurricanes or flying over wildfires to do fire surveillance. So there's different places where it's best to put unmanned systems. Now we can do them more efficiently, more effectively, more economically, and better for the environment around us. And you'll hear with drones, people will say, it's all about the data. It's not really about the data. We're getting overwhelmed by the data. We have data chaos. I want to take the data and make it into information, take that information and make it into knowledge. And if we're really, really good, we'll make it into wisdom. And that's where you're getting the best bang for your buck with the data you're achieving. We have done a lot of work with the Department of Interior, Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, and NOAA. That's where we really have gotten environmental intelligence, environmental data, flying the Global Hawk, which we're playing with the wingspan of a 737 over hurricanes, thousands of miles out to sea. And as the hurricane's coming and attacking our country, we're able to drop sondes into the hurricane, getting better data that improves our forecast, giving the forecasters the wisdom to better dedicate what areas need to be evacuated. We were able to help our emergency response folks so that as the hurricane passes, now instead of having the drones being used for environmental intelligence, we could use them for post-damage assessments. So now we're literally doing the end-to-end. We're out there before the storm, and then as the hurricane goes through, we could use those drones or other drones that are pre-positioned to help us with the post-damage assessment, do search and rescue. The beauty of Cherokee Nation businesses, we not only provide a technical solution to the government or a logistics solution to the government, but we also provide an acquisition solution to the government. We can get in there faster, more affordably, and do the same kind of tasking as a larger business, but just get in there quicker and do it at a lot less expense to the government. I served our country for 20 years in uniform, and I feel that that service is equal to the honor it is to work with Cherokee Nation. And the stuff that we do with that 37% that we give back to the tribe is spectacular in the form of education and healthcare and STEM and bringing up the next generation of unmanned system operators and technicians. This technology is inevitable. It's spreading very, very quickly, and I'm glad that Cherokee Nation's a big part of it.